Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create labels from an Excel list. Let's get started. The first step is to open a Word file. Once the Word file is open, navigate to the Mailings tab and initiate the mail merge process by selecting Start Mail Merge and then Labels. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose the label type. Let's select the existing label format based on the brand and number printed in the bottom. Click OK. Now with the label set up, proceed to Select Recipients and choose Use an existing list. Locate and select your Excel file, ensuring that the names are on Sheet 1. Click OK to confirm the selection. Next, insert Merge Fields by selecting Insert Merge Field. For instance, let's start with the first name. Insert it and close the dialog box. Remember to add a space between the first and last names to avoid overlap. Repeat the process by inserting the last name field and placing it appropriately. Again, ensure proper spacing. Continue by adding the address and city fields, inserting them and ensuring proper placement with necessary spacing. Once all fields are inserted, update the labels to maintain the same format throughout. It's advisable to preview the labels by finishing the merge and selecting Edit Individual Documents from the drop-down. Here, you can specify the number of labels you want to work on simultaneously, such as 10 at a time. For instance, input 1 to 10 and click OK. The labels are now ready for printing. If you need to process the next batch of labels, repeat the steps by selecting the desired range of labels. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.